In front of me is OPPO Reno15 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Security and Privacy section. Now scroll again to tap on Device Unlock and then select Screen Lock. Now it's time to pick one of those password types: Numeric, Alphanumeric, or pattern. Wait 5 seconds to continue. Hit Next. And if you change your mind, don't go back, just click on Use a different password type and pick it from here. 4 digits, 6 digits, 4 to 16 digits, alphanumeric or pattern. Then create it and repeat it to confirm it. If you wish to turn on Fingerprint Unlock instantly, hit Enable in the pop-up and follow all of the instructions from your screen. If you don't, hit Cancel. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!